Good morning, everybody. Thank you for coming to my channel. This is Wendy, and this is going to be a super quick video on a tip. Just a little quick idea that I just kind of fumbled across. I haven't seen it, but maybe you guys already seen this or, whatever. Okay, so I'm working in my Dorito bag book. And well, let me just show you what it looks like. Here's this. Okay, and I put a little thing here, and you open it up, and I put little goodies down in there. Okay, so it's a bag, and it just folds back down. Okay, I don't know if you guys are familiar with Popeye's chicken. Well, this was one of their, takeout bags, okay? I don't even remember what it was. I just saved it because I liked, the look of it. But I was trying to do something, I can't remember what it was, and I chopped half the bag off, and I had this, and I kept playing with it, and I realized, well, if you pull it open, it's like having a pouch or a bag or, a container. So I put little goodies in there, and it closes back up. All I did, let me show you. I guess any food bag, this is just a brown lunch bag. Okay, so you see how it lays flat? All right, and then when you pull it up, so where it automatically lays at, so you keep it flat like this, and this is where you want to cut it at. You want to cut it even to the bottom. Okay. And then, of course, save that. All right, so then, however you want to decorate it, or, you could put a little, a hole or whatnot. But I have these milk tabs that I'm actually going to glue one on because I think it's a great pull tab. So let me just put that on. Make sure it's not going through. I didn't use any of my quick dry stuff this time, so we got to give it a second to set. Okay, well, anyway, okay, so once you put your little tab on, whatever you want, hole punch it with the string. Anyway, then you want to turn over, and the bottom part of the bag, that's what gets glued down into your book. Okay, so like I'd glue it straight down like that. Okay, so then when it's glued down and you pull it open, you have a little goodie bag, and you put stuff in it, and then it just automatically goes back. So there's a quick little fun tip. I have never even thought about doing that. I'm like, what a cool idea. And that's what happens when you get it playing around with food bags. That's it. That's as simple as it is. I'll ink the edges, and I ink this. I like this because it's orange and it's going with my Dorito themed. But at first I put just a circle punch. Oops. You see that? I just put a circle punch on it. But then I found where I had these sticky flowers, and I'm like, well, I'll stick one of those on there too. And I just left it at that. And then, I just stuck some random stuff in here. A unicorn sticker, another flower, a card, a tag, and a Monopoly tag. So I just stuck some goodies in there for now because I just kind of wanted to see. And there we go. Voila, it's done. I mean, how fun is that? So, you guys try it. It has potential, don't you think? So, that was it. That was quick. Hope you guys liked the little tip. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.